Number 25. All of Africa was colonized by foreign powers during the scramble for Africa, except Ethiopia and Liberia. Number 24. There are 54 countries and one non-self-governing territory, the Western Sahara, in Africa. Number 23. Before colonial rule, Africa comprised up to 10,000 different states and autonomous groups with distinct languages and customs. Number 22. Arabic is spoken by 170 million people on the continent, followed in popularity by English with 130 million, Swahili with 100 million, and French with 115 million. Number 21. Over 25% of all languages are spoken only in Africa, with over 2,000 recognized languages spoken on the continent. Number 20. Africa is the second most populous continent with about 1.1 billion people, or 16% of the world's population. Number 19. Over 50% of Africans are under the age of 25. Number 18. The continent's population will more than double to 2.3 billion people by 2050. Number 17. Africa is the world's poorest and most underdeveloped continent with a continental GDP that accounts for just 2.4% of global GDP. Number 16. Almost 40% of adults in Africa are illiterate. Number 15. The Second Congo War claimed over 5.4 million lives and is the deadliest worldwide conflict since World War II. Number 14. There are fewer people with internet connections in Africa than there are in just New York City. Number 13. The Sahara is the largest desert in the world and is bigger than the continental USA. Number 12. Africa is the world's second driest continent after Australia. Number 11. There are over 1 million Chinese citizens on the African continent. Angola alone has a population of over 350,000 Chinese. Number 10. Deforestation rates in Africa are twice the average of the rest of the world, with more than 4 million hectares of primary forest disappearing every year. Number 9. Lake Victoria is the largest lake in Africa and the second largest freshwater lake in the world. Number 8. Megafauna like giraffe, zebra, gorilla, hippopotamus, chimpanzee, and wildebeest are unique to the continent and only found here. Number 7. Lake Malawi has more fish species than any other freshwater system on Earth. Number 6. Africa has over 85% of the world's elephants and over 99% of the remaining lions are on the African continent. Number 5. The Nile River is the longest river in the world with a total length of 6,650 kilometers. Number 4. The Serengeti in Tanzania hosts the world's largest wildlife migration on Earth with over 750,000 zebra marching ahead of 1.2 million wildebeest as they cross this amazing landscape. Number 3. Africa has over 25% of the world's bird species. Number 2. Over 1,270 large dams have been built along the continent's many rivers. And number 1. Over 90% of soils are unsuitable for agriculture and only 0.25% has moderate to low potential for sustainable farming. If you liked the video you just saw, then click the button at the top right to subscribe. Also, check out the 25 unbelievable facts about the human body video and the 25 things you didn't know could be hacked video for more awesome facts. And if that's not enough, go to our website at list25.com for some cool lists.